it's still really, really early days. There are not that many companies, manufacturers around the world that are creating something that's recyclable and compostable, and it works in a flow wrapper machine, and it seals well. I mean, there's 2 or 3 products that I know of, and the problem is, when I spoke to all of them, they were all still at the beginning of their journeys, so they're still doing research into how this material works, and I knew that I was kind of being a trailblazer but also a guinea pig. Like, it's so early on, and if I was doing this brand in 5 years time, things would be so much easier, but I really wanted to give it a go. So there was one company that was based in the UK that was trialing a new, it's based on a paper fibre, recycled paper fibre, and it's got an aqueous coating on it. So it's got a high barrier that will keep the cookie moist and soft. And one other company in the UK, had a granola company, were using it and had seen good results. So I thought, right, I'm going to take a chance. I mean, the major issue with all these new materials is that you have to buy them. The minimum order quantity is massive. So you can't just buy enough for like 1,000 cookies and take a test on it. You have to buy rolls and rolls to make hundreds of thousands of cookies. So financially, it was a massive risk and a massive undertaking. But I knew someone had to do it, and I knew, I just wanted to be that person to try it out and test it. So just before Christmas, we got our first run of our paper, and it looks like this. So it's a paper, it's got a slight sheen to it, and on the inside is an aqueous coating. So you can home compost it, but you can also, because it's paper, you can also put it in your paper recycling. So I think that's one of the main issues people have with compostable packaging, is that sometimes it can't be recycled. And this kind of ticked the box. So